Hey K-popers, this is K-Style. My name is Inyoung. I'm going to show you a BTS new song today, and I'm going to translate the lyrics into English and show you how to break it down each meaning step by step. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and smash the like button. So I'm going to turn around and show you the new music video and then the title 작은 것들을 위한 시 Boy with Love. I'm not too sure if you're BTS fans, but so let's start with the first one. 모든 게 궁금해. How's your day? So I'm curious about everything. How's your day? 모든 is everything as an adjective. Okay? It's actually a combination of 거, which is thing, and 가, 가. So 거 is thing, and what comes after is subject particle. Okay? In this case, certain to 게, 모든 게 궁금해. Everything is curious. How's your day? Oh, tell me. 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지. 뭐가, what as subject, 가 is subject particle, 널, you as an object, 행복하게 하는지. 행복하게 하다 is make happy. In English, you say make adjective, make happy. In Korean, we say do adverb. So in this case, 행복하게 is an adverb. As you can tell, it ends with 게. Most of the time, that's an adverb. And 하 is to do. 는지, whether or not. I'm not sure whether or not what makes you happy. Oh, text me. Text me and let me know. Your every picture 내 머리맡에 두고 싶어. my 머리맡에. 머리 is actually head, 맡에. 머리맡에 means bedside. 에 location particle. do is 두다 as place. 고 싶어. Okay? Verb root plus 고 싶어 means want to. I want to place your every picture by my bedside. Come be my teacher. 내 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘. 내 here, it's actually 어이, right? The first one is 내 아이, means the first one is my, 내 어이, that's your. So in speaking wise, we all know as Korean, we can only tell based on the context. At the same time, in speaking, we don't say 내, your like this. We usually use it in writing or lyrics. It sounds more poetic. 내, your, 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘. 모든, everything, every, 거, thing, so everything, are underneath makes an object. 다, all, 가르쳐줘. 가르치다 is to teach. 줘 is give. When give is used with another verb, means favor for the first verb. Means it's making a request. Please teach me everything. Your everything. Because it's an adjective. Your everything. You're one, you're two. 1, 2. Listen my baby. 나는, I는 subject particle. 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어. 저 can be I impolite. In this case, 저 is that, far away. 저 하늘을, sky, 을 object particle, 높이, high as an adverb, 날다 is to fly, 고 있어. When you see verb root plus 고 있어 means ing tense. In this case, previous phrase, I am flying in that faraway sky. I'm flying. 그때 네가 줬던 두 날개로. 그때, that time, 네, you in casual way. It could be also no, they're same thing. 네가, subject, 내게, to me, 줬던. 주다 verb into a past tense, so now it's 줬던. It's the used to, had done, had given me. 두 날개로. 두 날개, wings. 로 is by or with. With the wings you had given me the time. 이제 now. It's different from 지금. 지금 is also now. 이제 is now, transition now. Different from before. Now, what's gonna happen? 이제 여긴 here, 긴, and underneath, that's comparison. As for here, compared to the other side, here, 너무, too much, 높아, high. It's too high here now. It wasn't like that, but it's high. 난 내 눈에 너를 맞추고 싶어. 난, I, as a subject, 내, my, 눈에, eyes. And 에 is location particle. 널, you, 맞추다 is like this, match. Or in this case, I translate it as see, but it's like a match eyes. 고 싶어, want to. I want to match my eyes to you. Okay? Yeah, you're making me a boy with love. Oh my, okay. I've read it all my life. 내, your, 전부, everything. We heard everything a lot in different ways. 모든 것, 다, 전부. They're all everything. Everything is everything. 를, object particle, 함께, together, do. 고 싶어, want to. I want to do everything together. You're everything together. So I translate it as I want to spend my life with you together. Oh my, looking for something right. 이제 조금은 나 알겠어. Now, 조금은 a little bit. 나 I 알겠어. Will know means I get it a bit. I get it a bit now. 널 알게 된 이후. You 알게 된. Became to know. 이후, since. Since I became to know you. Yeah. 내 삶은, my life, 온통, entirely, you. My life, and then 은, subject, entirely you. Yeah. 사소한 게, trivial thing, 사소하지 않게 만들어버리다. Okay? It's like made away. Almost made. 사소하지 않게. Not trivially. 너라는 별. 라는 in this case called. You're the star. That's the star called you. Who made what? Trivial things, not trivial. This sentence is kind of complicated, so I don't want to go too deep. But you know what's out there. 하나부터, one, from, 부터, 열, ten까지, to. 모든 게, everything, 특별하지, special. G at the end means confirmation. 특별하지. Right? 너의 관심사, your interest, 걸음걸이, how you walk, 말투, your accent, how you talk, and 와, 사소한 trivial, 작은 습관들까지, small habits, even. So 까지 could be to, including or even, including that, small habits. 다 말하지 I tell all. or 다 as in everybody says. 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. Are you still here? You must be passionate about learning Korean. If you're getting some value from my video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and check out the blog link in the description box below. 너무 작던, really small, used to be small. Who? I. 내가. I as subject. 영웅. Hero. 이 another subject because the verb cannot have an object. 되다, to become. And underneath because it's making the verb into an adjective. 거, thing. So you can think of it as a noun together. Becoming the hero. 거라고. They say that. 라고 in this case, it's that. They say that in connecting another clause. So technically in real life we're gonna say 다 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고 말하지. The 말하지 part has to come after in real life speaking. But this is lyrics. So 운명 따윈 처음부터 내게 아니었다고. Destiny 따위 some sort of destiny 처음부터 from the first time 내게 my thing 아니었다고 was not. I say that destiny type of thing used to be not my thing from the first time. 세계 평화 world peace 거대한 질서 great order 그저 널 지킬 거야 난. merely just 널 you object 지킬 거야 지키다 to protect or to keep 알 거야 will 난 I. Listen, my baby 나는 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어. I think it's the same part. I'm gonna skip until here. 툭 까놓고 말할게. I'm gonna be frank. 툭 is like a sound. 까놓다 is open, reveal, unveil. Go and 말할게. I'm gonna unveil. 툭 말할게. Speak. So I will be frank. 나도 모르게 without knowing myself 힘이 들어가기도 했어. I did 들어가다. 힘이 들어가다 means exhausting. 힘들어. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Without knowing myself, I used to be exhausted. In this case, I used to be in some trouble because of something that exhausted me. 높아버린 became high sky. The sky that became high. 꺼져버린 hall. The hall that became dark. 때론 sometimes 도망치게 해달라며 기도했어. 도망치게 해. Make me run away. 라며. While 기도했어. Pray. I prayed while making me run away sometimes. But 너의 상처는 your wound. Subject particle 나의 상처. 나의. So when you say possessive, you say 에, but it's written as 의. My wound. 깨달았을 때, when I realized, 나 다짐했던 걸. I pledged. 다짐했던 걸. 네가 준 이카루스의 날개로. With the wings. What kind of wing? ICARUS. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Comment down below if any of you knows what ICARUS means. ICARUS wing that you gave me. 태양이 아닌 너에게로. Not the sun. Towards you. 에게로 towards you. Let me fly. Okay. How did you like the lyrics? Did you find these lyrics was what you expected? And how much Korean do you know? And how well did you guess based on the feeling or music video? If you thought it was completely different, in any opinion, you can comment down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. And if you like this type of video, please smash the like button so that it makes me motivated to make more this type of videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!